Welcome to our guide on the best places to visit and dine in North Austria. Nestled amidst the majestic Austrian Alps, this region captivates with its pristine lakes, charming villages, and vibrant cities. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems and culinary delights that await you in North Austria. From the picturesque village of Freistadt to the cultural hub of Linz and the historic town of Mühlviertel, we'll explore stunning destinations and top-notch restaurants you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the heart of the Salzkammergut region, where we encounter the enchanting village of Freistadt. Imagine a place seemingly untouched by time, a place where tradition and natural beauty intertwine harmoniously. Here, nestled between the emerald waters of Freistatter Sea and the dramatic slopes of the Dachstein Mountains, lies Freistadt, a vision of picturesque lanes, traditional wooden houses, and a serenity that whispers through the very air. The history of Freistadt stretches back millennia, its name forever entwined with the discovery of salt within its towering peaks. It is a history etched into the very fabric of this village, a living testament to the enduring relationship between humanity and the natural world. As we wander through its narrow streets, the past seems to brush against us, whispering tales of ancient miners and the echoes of a bygone era. Dominating the skyline above Freistadt is the Freistadt Skywalk. It offers a breathtaking panorama of the village and the Salzkammergut Lake region, a view that seems to stretch out to infinity. To truly understand Freistadt, one must delve into its depths. The Freistadt salt mine, the oldest in the world, snakes deep into the mountainside, yielding precious salt for over 7,000 years. And then there's Freistatter Sea. Its emerald waters reflect the surrounding peaks like a liquid mirror. Whether drifting silently on a traditional wooden boat or exploring its hidden coves and inlets, the lake offers profound peace. As twilight descends, casting a warm glow over Freistadt, our attention turns to a culinary landmark that perfectly encapsulates the village's charm and breathtaking beauty. Perched high above the rooftops, clinging to the mountainside like an ancient sentinel, is restaurant Rudolfsturm. Reached by a winding footpath that snakes its way through the heart of the village, the restaurant offers more than just a meal. It provides an experience, an immersion into the very heart of Freistadt. Imagine stepping into a place where time seems to slow down, where the gentle clinking of glasses and the murmur of conversation provide a soothing soundtrack to the panoramic spectacle unfolding before your eyes. The windows of Rudolfsturm frame a view that is nothing short of breathtaking. Below, the village twinkles under a canopy of stars, its reflection shimmering in the dark waters of the lake. At restaurant Rudolfsturm, the culinary journey is as captivating as the view. The menu is a celebration of traditional Austrian cuisine, showcasing the freshest local ingredients transformed into dishes that tantalize the senses. Imagine the aroma of slow-cooked meats, seasoned with mountain herbs and infused with the rich flavors of the region filling the air. Each bite is a testament to the culinary heritage of the Salzkammergut, a symphony of textures and tastes that speak of generations-old recipes passed down through loving hands. The star of the show, however, is undoubtedly the Apfelstrudel, a culinary masterpiece that has become synonymous with Austrian cuisine. At Rudolfsturm, they elevate this humble dessert to an art form. Imagine the delicate layers of pastry, thin as parchment, encasing a sweet and tart filling of apples, raisins, and cinnamon, all baked to golden perfection. We bid farewell to Freistadt and journey northwards, towards a destination where the echoes of history blend seamlessly with the pulse of modernity, the city of Linz. Situated on the banks of the mighty Danube River, Linz is a city of contrasts, where ancient cobblestone streets give way to sleek, modern architecture, and where the echoes of a rich cultural past resonate within the vibrant energy of the present. This is a city that defies expectations, a place where the boundaries between art, technology, and industry blur, creating a unique and captivating atmosphere. As we delve deeper into its heart, we discover a city brimming with creativity, a place where innovation flourishes and where the boundaries of human ingenuity are constantly being pushed. Linz pulsates with a vibrant cultural energy, a city where tradition and innovation collide to create a truly unique and captivating atmosphere. At the forefront of this creative explosion is the Ars Electronica Center, a museum of the future, a place where the boundaries between art, technology, and society are explored and redefined. Here we find ourselves immersed in a world of interactive installations, digital art, and cutting-edge technology, all designed to challenge our perceptions and ignite our imaginations. From artificial intelligence to bioart, the Ars Electronica Center offers a glimpse into the future of human creativity, a future where the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being expanded. But Linz is not all about the future. It also boasts a rich artistic heritage proudly displayed within the walls of the Lentos Art Museum. Situated on the banks of the Danube, the museum's sleek, modern design stands in stark contrast to the historical treasures it houses. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the city, our thoughts turn to the culinary delights that await us in Linz. And there is perhaps no better place to experience the city's vibrant culinary scene than at Restaurant Verdi, a place where innovation and tradition collide on the plate. Tucked away in a quiet corner of the city, Verdi exudes an air of understated elegance. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, the perfect setting for a memorable dining experience. The restaurant's interior is a testament to its dedication to both style and substance. Clean lines and modern furnishings create a sophisticated ambience, while the soft lighting and gentle murmur of conversation provide a sense of intimacy. At Restaurant Verdi, the menu is a testament to the creativity and passion of its chefs, a culinary journey that takes diners on an exploration of flavors and textures. This is not simply a meal, it is an experience, a symphony of taste designed to tantalize the senses. Imagine the freshest seasonal ingredients, sourced from local producers, transformed into works of art on the plate. Each dish is a delicate balance of flavors, a testament to the chef's mastery of culinary techniques. From melt-in-your-mouth scallops seared to perfection and drizzled with a delicate citrus sauce, to succulent cuts of locally sourced beef, slow-cooked for hours to achieve a melt-in-your-mouth tenderness, every bite at Verdi is an explosion of flavor. But no meal at Verdi would be complete without indulging in their signature dessert, the Linzer Torte. Our journey through North Austria continues westward, along the majestic Danube River until we reach a town steeped in history and dominated by a landmark that seems to rise from the very landscape itself. Melk. Perched high on a rocky bluff overlooking the town and the winding river below, stands Melk Abbey, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture and a testament to the enduring power of faith. As we approach the abbey, its sheer scale and grandeur take our breath away. The golden facade, adorned with intricate carvings and statues, seems to shimmer in the sunlight, while the twin towers reach towards the heavens as if beckoning us closer. Founded in the 11th century, Melk Abbey has witnessed the ebb and flow of history, its walls echoing with the stories of emperors and monks, artists and pilgrims. Stepping through its grand entrance is like stepping back in time into a world of opulence and grandeur. The heart of Melk Abbey is undoubtedly its library, a treasure trove of knowledge and history. Imagine stepping into a room lined with towering bookshelves laden with ancient manuscripts and priceless volumes, the air thick with the scent of aged parchment and leather. But Melk Abbey is more than just a repository of knowledge. It is also a place of breathtaking beauty. The Abbey's gardens, a tranquil oasis of serenity and beauty, offer a welcome respite from the outside world. From the Abbey's terrace, the Wachau Valley unfolds before us in all its glory. We hope you enjoyed our guide to the best places to visit and eat in North Austria. From the enchanting village of Freistadt to the vibrant city of Linz and the historic town of Melk, North Austria offers a diverse range of experiences for every traveler. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Thanks for watching and happy travels.